Hello and welcome to Omniweb. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating an AI agent in our AI call center by Omniweb application. First, navigate to the Agent section in the sidebar. Here you'll see a list of your existing agents. To modify an existing agent, simply click on its name to open the editor. If you'd like to create a brand new agent, click the Create New button. Upon clicking Create New, you'll be presented with several options. Build from scratch. Design every aspect of the agent yourself. Talk to Omniweb AI. Have our AI assistant generate an agent based on your specifications. Use a template. Select from our library of predefined templates. Upload a script. Import your own script as a text or PDF file. If you choose the Omniweb AI option, simply describe your business, outline the qualifying questions your agent should ask, and specify any additional requirements. Our AI will automatically generate the appropriate prompts for you. Alternatively, you can upload an existing script by selecting a text or PDF file. The system will parse your document and convert it into agent prompts. For this demonstration, we'll use a pre-existing template. Browse the template library, select your preferred template, and click Create Agent. Once the agent is created, you'll see the prompt configuration. To expand the view, click the double arrow icon. This reveals the entire prompt structure. At the top, you'll find the Job Role section, which defines what the AI agent is responsible for and establishes any rules or guidelines it must follow. Below that is the Scripting area, where the qualifying questions and conversation flow are defined. You'll notice conditional logic, if-then statements, that guide the dialogue. Scroll further down to the Objection Handling Guide. Here, you can add anticipated objections along with suggested responses to ensure your agent addresses common concerns effectively. Next, include your company's FAQ entries, any questions your customers frequently ask. This equips the agent with the information it needs to respond accurately. Once you've finalized the prompts, move on to the LLM selection. Choose from any of the available large language models, each optimized for different tasks. Below LLM selection, you'll find voice settings. Pick the voice and language appropriate for your audience. If you select a non-English language, the prompts will automatically translate, enabling fully localized interactions. Additional settings include End Call options. Define how and when calls should conclude. Call Transfer. Configure routing to live agents if needed. Test Call. Initiate a trial call to evaluate your agent's performance in real time. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured an AI agent in Omniweb's AI call center. Thank you for watching.